Everyone, what do you see in my hand? This is good mama, and as everybody is doing in their this thing, I'm going to do the challenge now. Open it and then no, I will never do that. That is wrong. That is a wrong challenge. So that is why in this video tonight I'm talking to you about something very important, and it is regarding this Hypo challenge. Many people have been taking part in the Hypo challenge, and I am bringing it to you on another perspective. The Hypo challenge, what really happened, and why everyone should be careful. That is what I am talking about in this video tonight. In recent times, there has been disturbing reports about a so-called Hypo challenge. You go online, type Hypo challenge, type Hypo, type very dark man Hypo. You see people doing different things. They'll put water inside the Hypo, they'll be putting it in their mouth. Someone that did not know about the challenge or anything will go and be taking it, and the person can lose his life. That is why I am bringing you this video, the Hypo challenge, what really happened, and why everyone should be careful. In recent times, like I said, there have been disturbing reports about a so-called Hypo challenge trending among some youths on social media. The challenge allegedly involving young people drinking household bleach, popularly called Hypo, to prove bravery, to gain attention, or to go viral online. While some of the stories were exaggerated in certain circles, the concern it raised is very real and very serious. People who are doing it, they are doing it for content. But somebody else will see it, will not know it's for content, and then will go and drink Hypo, and then the life of the person is snuffed out. That is why I'm making this video. Now let's break it down in simple terms. How did the challenge start? Like many dangerous online trends, the Hypo challenge reportedly began on short video platform where users compete for views, likes, and followers. One person posts something shocking, others imitate it. Before long, it spreads like wildfire. In some cases, it wasn't even clear whether participants truly drank bleach or staged the act for attention. But once the idea circulated, it became risky because of the following reasons. 1. Some people may try it out of curiosity. Number 2, others may attempt it due to peer pressure. Number 3, vulnerable youths might be influenced without understanding the consequences. In fact, there was a guy that said that if we mix Hypo with this bitter drink that they used to drink, then he said, in fact, he's taking the second one. And he's not saying the truth. That is why I'm making this video. Let our youth, every youth, let them hear. They don't go and copy anybody and go and affect your internal organ or go and buy yourself. So let us be careful. So vulnerable youths might be influenced without understanding the consequences. Social media algorithms often push shocking content faster than sensible content. That is how such dangerous ideas gain traction. Who are the actors involved? Several groups play a role in how such a trend spreads. Number 1, actors involved are content creators. Some individuals looking for attention or virality. We have very dark man, we have other people, we have that lady that started this with very dark man that said she's going to take Hypo, and we also have others also coming up, everybody taking up the trend just to gain virality. Then we have social media platforms where the content is posted and shared. Then we have viewers and followers who like, comment, share, or imitate the trend. Then we have concerned authorities and health professionals also. These are also stakeholders. What do? They step in to warn the public. Then we have the Hypo company itself, which quickly issue disclaimers that their product is strictly for cleaning and disinfecting, not for drinking under any circumstances. Do you know somebody said I belong to a group, the person said he's a distributor that Hypo drink. And I asked, Hypo is not a drink, it's not a drink like that, it's for another thing. Hypo is not a drink, it's for washing. Then the guy was saying that this and that. You know, very dark man and King Michi, that lady that is into cooking or something like that, she's the one, or a very dark man that started the challenge. So let us be careful. So the Hypo company quickly issued disclaimers that their product is strictly for cleaning and disinfecting not for drinking under any circumstances. It is important to note that companies producing cleaning products clearly label them as toxic if swallowed. No responsible manufacturer promotes promote or support such misuse. Now, what is the impact of the Hypo challenge? It has negative impact, and that is the major concern why I am making this video at this time. The Hypo challenge have negative impact. The negative impact is that it outweighs anything else. Number one is serious health risks. Bleach contains chemicals that can cause several internal burns, organ damage, and even it can kill somebody if ingested. It contains chlorine. Chlorine is very, very dangerous for health. It's also it can also lead, another negative effect is copycat behavior. I believe in the copycat behavior, that make yourself a good copycat of good traits, not bad thing. Don't make yourself a good copycat of bad thing. Make yourself a copycat of good things that people are doing around you. So, but some people now, they will see that Hypo challenge, which is negative, they will now begin to copycat. So young people may imitate what they see without thinking about the consequences. Then another negative effect is mental health triggers. Vulnerable individuals may see such content as a harmful outlet. Then public panic. Parents, schools, and communities become anxious and they become alarmed. Strain on healthcare. Any poisoning cases increases emergency medical burden. Already in the country like Nigeria, we are saying that doctors are not enough, nurses are not enough. Now you are going to do Hypo challenge again and you are down again with another something, adding to the already overloaded people that need medical attention. So because of this, let us avoid it. There's absolutely nothing positive about ingesting toxic substances. It is extremely dangerous. Any positive impact, if there's any silver lining, it is this. It sparked important conversation about mental health awareness. It highlighted the need for better digital responsibility. It reminded companies to reinforce clear warning labels and public education. It pushed communities to monitor harmful trends more actively. But again, these positives came as reactions to something deeply concerning. What everyone should be aware of is what I want to tell you now. Here are key things to keep in mind. Number one, not everything online is real. Some videos are staged for shock value. Never assume something is safe just because someone posted it. Number two, also chemicals are not experiments. Bleach, that is Hypo, disinfectants, and cleaning agents are toxic. They are designed to kill germs, not to enter the human body. Number three, peer pressure is powerful. If someone dares you to try something harmful for views or attention, that's not relationship. That is manipulation. Then number four, mental health matters. If someone is feeling depressed, overwhelmed, or seeking attention through dangerous means, they need support, not an audience. Number five, parents and guardians should stay alert. Monitor what young people consume online. Conversations are better than silence. Now, this is the final word I have before I take my leave. The so-called Hypo challenge is a reminder of how quickly dangerous ideas can spread in the digital age. It shows us that social media influence is powerful. It shows us that youths are vulnerable to trends. It shows us that public awareness and early intervention are critical. No trend is worth your life. No likes or views are worth permanent damage. If you come across such content, report it. If someone you know seems influenced by harmful challenges, talk to them. If anyone accidentally ingests a harmful substance,